Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Kulgaon City Corporation College online classroom. This is Tanis Fatima with you, lecturer, English, Kulgaon City Corporation College, Chattogram. Dear students, how do you do? Hope you are all hale and hearty both mentally and physically in this corona pandemic situation. And you are keeping safe by following the rules of health and sanitation. Dear students, what's about your studies? Hope you are going on well with your studies. In my last class, I discussed on a very simple topic, preposition. I tried to make to you clear about the meaning of preposition, its placement, its function in English language. Today I will continue the lesson. Look at the board. Here I have made a very small attempt to assemble all the prepositions here before you. You know, if you cannot identify preposition in a sentence, it will be tough for you to use them in gap filling activities as per your syllabus. Look at the words. These words are used in different situations before different noun. Abroad, about, above, across, against, along, around, amid, among, after, at, except, during, down, for, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, before, beyond, by, in, from, of, on, over, until, unto, upon, under, underneath, since, up, like, near, past, through, throughout, with, within, without, out, outside, inside, into, to, toward, onto, but, considering, regarding, respecting, regardless of, up to, out of. All these words are considered as preposition or used as preposition. These words have different meaning in use. I just try to assemble this before you to make you know about these words, but you have to know the meaning and use of these words in practice. Of all these words, the most commonly used three preposition is in, on and at. We use it comparatively. In for use time general time or bigger space, bigger place. On is used for more specific time or smaller place, and at is used very specific time, point of time or the smallest places. Look, if যদি আমরা সময়ের ক্ষেত্রে বড় থেকে ছোট দিকে যাই তাহলে দেখা যায় centuries, decades, years, months, seasons, weeks, periods of time, holidays, parts of the day. In these cases, we use in before this time specific word, time identifying word. Look, 20th century, third decade, in 1980, in January, February, March, in 3 weeks, in autumn, in summer, in future or in the past, holidays, in Easter day, parts of the day. Morning, evening, in the morning, in the evening. We use in the morning, in the evening. Then come to this very more specific time. Specific time. On Sunday, on Monday, dates on 20 March, specific days, on Eid day, on Victory day, day or part of day, day plus part of day. Easter Sunday, if we use day, then we have to use on before that word. Holidays, then very specific, we use at before a very specific time, hours. 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we use at 9 o'clock or at 8 o'clock. Parts of the day. Noon, at night, time. Holidays without day. If we don't use the word day after holiday, then we have to use is at. For example, Easter Sunday, on Easter Sunday, but if we don't use day, we use at Easter. Then come to place. We use in for before noun indicating bigger place. Suppose world, sky, in the world, in the sky, in the country, in Dhaka, in Chittagong, in district, in Lakshmipur, in division, in Dhaka division, neighborhoods, a locality, in the society, in the area, in the locality. These are neighborhoods. Enclosed space, in the room, he is in the room. Before enclosed space, we use in. More specific, place, so smaller place, streets. If the word streets, avenues, these are used before a place, after a place, then we use on before these words. Surface, on water, for example, means of transport, on boat, on boat, boater purbe naukar purbe. Communication, on radio, on internet. Smallest place, before smallest place we use at. For example, address, to write down address of a place, we use at before that. Specific location, very small or enclosed place. That means ছোট একদম সীমিত প্লেস বা ছোট পরিসরের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি বসাই, তার পূর্বে অ্যাড বসাই। নাও come to this use, comparative use of in, on, at. লক্ষ্য করবে এখানকার কিছু উদাহরণ, এই উদাহরণগুলোর সাথে এখানকার যে কনসিকুয়েন্স তার একটা মিল আছে, মিলিয়ে নিও তোমরা। এখানে যে উদাহরণগুলো তোমরা দেখবে তার সঙ্গে এখানকার যে বড় থেকে ছোটোর দিকে টাইম এবং প্লেস গিয়েছে, তোমরা কি করবে, মিলিয়ে নিবে। সাপোজ ইন এ লাইন, ইন এ কুইন, দ্য লাইনে, ইন প্রিজন, ইন দ্য ক্লাসরুম, কনফাইন্ড প্লেস। ইন দ্য নর্থ অর সাউথ, দিকের পূর্বে ইন বসে। ইন দ্য মিরর, ইন দ্য নিউজ পেপার, in a pond or pool, পুকুরে বা পুলে, in the center, in a box, in the pocket or wallet, in the river or sea, in a row, in bed, in the sky or in the garden, in 3 hours, in a week or year, in the past or future, in a moment, in a few minutes, in 1980, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the summer or fall or autumn, any season, you have to write in the lift or room, in the house or in the bus, in a race, in cinema. Then use of on. In what cases we use on? There are some examples of use of on internet or on phone, communication, on the floor or roof, on the left, on the right. Look, in the north, in the south, on the left, on the right. On a farm, on the ceiling, on a list, on the menu, on a bicycle or bike, on a map, on the carpet, on the cover or on the page, on the television or radio, means of communication, on an island, on the beach, on the face, on a coast, on that day, on time, on the first or last day, on weekdays, on Friday afternoon. If you use day before the parts of day, we have to use on before. But if we don't use the day before parts of the day, then we can use at. On summer or on summer morning or on summer evening, on birthday, on wedding day, on Christmas, these are all occasions. On New Year's Day, on the 10th May, this date, on lunch break. Then use of at a party. We use at before a party, a reception, a conference, home, at the corner, at the end of the dot, at the bottom, at the front, at the back, at lunch, look, on lunch break, but at lunch, at office, at home, at office, at school, at the station, at the entrance, at the exit, at somebody's house, at the same time, at that time, at the moment, at present, at the weekends, at dusk or dawn or night. We use at before dusk or dawn or night, but we use in before the morning, the evening, the afternoon. But we use on if we mention the day before that part of day. At sunset, at bedtime or dinner time, at Christmas, at New Year, at lunch. Notice Christmas Day on Christmas Day, but Christmas at Christmas. New Year's Day on New Year's Day, but only New Year we use at New Year. So, dear students, that's all for today. I just tried to make you familiar with some examples of in, on, at. So this sheet, I hope you will practice more and more and be skilled in using preposition properly. So that's all for today. Stay safe, be safe and keep safe. Thank you.